I'm out here at the farm. Just want to give you guys a little update. 2 days ago, we put the tarp and cloth on the 50-foot by 50-foot bed. So it's been 2 days. Hopefully wait about a week plus. I'm gonna see how everything's going. I just checked underneath, real nice, and it's nice and hot underneath, but a lot of moisture there. And then behind me, you see what I'm working on is the compost pile. It's got a lot in it. Right here we've got what we started off with. It's, you know, about 4.5 foot tall. I've got 2 pallets there that I've been using. I need to get some more. I actually just found one in this old shed that I uncovered. And then the rest, we've got, this is all from, this was actually along this fence, was about to here, about 15 to 20 foot deep of just this high brush, crazy stuff. And I mulched that all down to this. I gave the old lawnmower a good workout. But as I was coming through, I found, I was like, man, why does my neighbor have this shed on this side, on this side of his fence? And I'm cutting through, I'm like, man, there's a door on that shed. It's on my side. And I open it up, and man, it's this nice metal shed. And if you can actually see, I'll come over here. It is right in line with where I was planning on putting the beds. So it turned out pretty perfectly. It's a pretty hot day out here. You can see Bubbles is with me. Hey, Bubbles. Hey, Bubbles, come here. We got Bubblegum with me. Good old farm bulldog. But yeah, here's the shed. I was thinking it was gonna be pretty, you know, decrepit, pretty nasty, but man, held up real nice. Doors need a little bit of work, but other than that, it's in good shape. And as I come in here, one thing I noticed was, well, one, it wasn't disgusting. It was actually well kept. There was a Christmas tree and 2 nice doors that I think we're gonna eventually have on the farm, but it's got electricity running to it. Now, I think it needs a new bulb, and I'm not 100% sure if that all works, but if it does, that is a huge bonus, because it'd be really nice to have electricity out here so close to where I'm gonna put the beds. But I've got some more work to do. You can see behind me, kind of next to the shed. This was all just insanely deep and thick with just nasty brush. But you can see the tarps. What I did was, we had some big storms, and so we were cutting down branches from various trees, and so I got the branches laying out there. So they've been doing a good job. It's keeping it nice and hot. I think it's actually drying out the branches, so they should be a little easier to work with. We're gonna cut them up and I think get them in a pile for like little fires this fall. But yeah, this is just a quick update I wanted to give you guys of where we're at with the farm. Me and Bubbles came out. Where's she at? Bubbles came out. She doesn't want to say hi anymore, but everything's going pretty good. We're gonna go need to get some seed ordered. I've got things already started in my small little nursery, but yeah, things are going great. If you want to stay up to date with more videos coming out of the farm or any plant-based vegan recipes, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and like this video if you've enjoyed it. But that's all for now. We'll see you guys soon.